After that historic blizzard dropped 40 inches of snow in parts of New England, some streets still not plowed, some homes without power, and others facing even more fortunate news. Those emergency rescues, anything but simple. Here's ABC's Hannah Battah.
Some people in the Northeast are heading back to work and school for the first time since that record-breaking blizzard that dumped more than 3 feet of snow. In New Jersey, the roof of this ice skating rink partially collapsing. In Massachusetts, fire crews battling the elements after this home explosion.
Fire hydrants were an issue, so another reminder to people to clean their fire hydrants. We had our police officers digging out the fire hydrant when they got here.
The mother and her 2-year-old daughter were seriously injured. Authorities say it may have been a gas explosion. In Philadelphia, video shows a man getting hit by a wall of snow from a passing plow while he was shoveling.
It kind of jarred me, threw me into the car that was kind of next to me, which is right behind us. If that wasn't there, I probably would have fell down.
He believes it may not have been accidental, but decided not to file a police report. Several people have died as a result of the storm, including at least 5 on Long Island, New York, all linked to heart issues while shoveling. A shoveling-related death is also reported in Rhode Island. Hannah Battah, ABC News, New York.
All that and yet another storm may be on the way for the Northeast early next week.